Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that can help you unlock the potential of your home. How to get a home equity line of credit or HELOC. Whether you want to renovate, consolidate debt, or fund a big purchase, a HELOC can be a great option. So, let's get started. First, let's understand what home equity is. Home equity is the difference between your home's current market value and the amount you owe on your mortgage. For instance, if your home is worth $300,000 and you owe $200,000, your equity is $100,000. Now, there are two main types of home equity loans: the home equity loan and the home equity line of credit. Let's break them down. A home equity loan gives you a lump sum upfront with a fixed interest rate and fixed monthly payments. It's great for one-time expenses like home renovations. On the other hand, a HELOC works more like a credit card. You can borrow as needed, repay, and borrow again, typically with a variable interest rate. This flexibility makes it ideal for ongoing projects or expenses. So, how do you get a home equity line of credit? Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Most lenders look for a credit score of at least 620 and a debt-to-income ratio below 43%. You also need sufficient equity in your home. Step 2. Research lenders. Look for banks, credit unions, and online lenders. Compare interest rates, fees, and terms. Step 3. Gather your documentation. You'll need proof of income, credit history, and information about your home, including its value and mortgage details. Step 4. Apply for the HELOC. You can often do this online. Fill out the application, provide your documents, and wait for the lender's decision. Step 5. Home appraisal. The lender will likely require an appraisal to determine your home's current market value and subsequently how much equity you can access. Step 6. Review the terms. Make sure you understand the interest rates, repayment terms, and any fees. Once you're comfortable, you'll close the loan and the funds will be available. Now that you know how to get a HELOC, let's talk about some tips to manage it wisely. Tip 1. Only borrow what you need. It's tempting to max out your line of credit, but remember, it's still debt. Tip 2. Have a repayment plan. Since HELOCs often have variable rates, your payments can fluctuate. Plan accordingly. Tip 3. Use it for productive investments. Whether it's home improvements or consolidating higher interest debt, make sure it's an investment in your future. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to get a home equity line of credit. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you on the next video.